Get out bed, I'm letting the car out. Little box, and here's what it looks like here in Terre Haute. And there's the Speedway. Okay, so right now we're all over the United States, but we're in Liberty Center, Ohio. And this is like the only gas station, so we're gonna go ahead and sleep here for the night, take a little break. This kind of sucks, they don't want parking and get towed, so I'm gonna mess with them.
The gun, you are under arrest.
As you can see, there's nothing out here. Look. There's a petrol back over there, a Pilot, and that over there used to be a TA, but they sold it to another company. Okay.
Ron, wide open the shot. He scored!
As you can see, we had a petrol here. No one here except for the guy over there with this tow trucker. Okay, got all the big bug nets on here. There's the petrol right there. No one here. There's the Love. I don't want to go over there. Pilot's right over there. So we're gonna go ahead and go to bed here. So this is one things they do at night. That's why I got the bones. I'm not fighting the night too much. But usually they do, but there we are. We just got up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start heading out of here in Napoleon, Ohio. This is brought to you by Monster because I'm not supposed to be drinking this crap. But Jay Bradley and you like that, don't ya? Okay, here we are in a cemetery just relaxing. Just gonna fill the sucker up. Not yours. This sucker bill, 508. Voila. Let's mix it. And the water. That sucker's boiling. Well, right now we're going to, I don't know if this is National Park or not, but you see over there in Indiana, I think this is about 25 or 35. Anyway, we're going to a park with a bunch of covered bridges and a waterfall and that. So it'll be Terre Haute, Indiana, and I might be stopping by federal prison or Big Bay, so I might. He was executed and probably the funeral. We're at a little gas station here, about an hour north of Terre Haute. So we're going to get Z-Zoomin. Got a Monster, which I shouldn't be drinking. Just had an Indianapolis trooper right over there, man. He flew. Okay, so right now we're at the corner of US 231 and US 40 here in Indiana. Okay, we are in Cataract Falls. There's a lower and there's an upper. So I think we're at the upper right now, but this is what it looks like. There's the DNR check-in. I can't fly a drone. And there they are. So we're gonna stay here for the whole day. Go. Right over here is a covered bridge. This is in or by Terre Haute, Indiana. And there it is right there. It's an old school bridge. See, they're all excited. It's nice and cool here. It's about 6, so it's okay to walk them. It was about 85 earlier. Looky here, we got an old school water pump of some sort.
A little bit of history. Indiana. That's probably Michigan.
Cataract Falls is a covered bridge, 1838. Law gave the county commissioners power to build the bridges for public and raise the taxes to pay for them. Owen County commissioners contracted 1875 Smith High Doublewood Trust over Elk River and Jennings Township to replace a bridge that was destroyed by a flood. This bridge was finished in 1876. There it is right there, and you can camp in there. Cool. You got the old school stone. Tell this is old school. And there's a bridge right there that I just crossed by car. With some idiot that's got to put the marking on it. But here it is. Really nice. You sit on here and eat. Look at this, all this graffiti. But anyway, see the water out there. Horrible, man. How can anyone do that? There's the falls right there. More graffiti. And it's even on the floor too, believe it or not. And this is pretty much the end. Since we're walking through here, let's look at the trusses. So this is like one of, I think, 42 covered bridges down here in Indiana, Terre Haute, if I remember. So it's a pretty nice area. It is not welcome. A little too late for that, but you know, I was thinking it would be good. It's coming down here during the winter when no one's here. I think this would be nice. I might camp out here during the winter. And you can see right over there, there's some picnic tables there. There's an old blue house right there. I don't know if that has anything to do with the park. Hey, this is to the lower falls. Look how deep down that is. There's some more falls right down there if you can see it. Yep, we still treading. Okay, I think I'm gonna turn around because I'm not in the mood for that. Got these on, so we'll just drive to the space. We'll turn around, guys. Okay, I want to show people this. One of the tricks I do is I got two of these, but I put them in pyramid style because I find out I get more energy that way, especially if the sun goes by. Best thing too is if it rains, the rain will go right down versus getting inside the screw holes. So, you guys ready? Come here, hey. All right, Bane gets the mic. Right there. All right, don't know if you can hear me from Bane, but here's the falls. Okay, so that's over there recording the falls. Let's check this bathroom out. Come on, guys. Okay, see what kind of surprises we have here. Ooh, a little dirty and smelly. Hey, get out of there. I don't think I'll poop in there. They asked me some questions about it goes to the other side of the parking lot. Ugh. We're going to sit out the picnic tables there here in a minute. Well, we at the picnic table here. You see, I'm just kind of relaxing with the dogs. Come on out of there. Pull me. So anyway, it's a pretty nice pic. This is where I like to sit alone. Just basic picnic area, away from people. Kind of reflect on my life. The beginning and the end and the retirement. Had a rough life. Beginning, nothing bad I did. I was born deaf as a kid, and I had to be held back second grade and stuff like that. So it took me a long time to learn. Found out my doctor was killed. It's hard for me to get a job. Went to college, all this stuff, dealing with people. It was a little different, because I don't drink and stuff like that. So, you know, just trying to finish out my life on a positive way. Looks like they're setting up a tarp in there. Anyway, just gonna keep doing my YouTube. Just I'm doing it for so I hit 80. I can sit down and watch my own videos. Anyway, this was a pretty nice park in Indiana. Just like just a P.O.V. The worst thing about my life, which I really don't like talking about, is the divorce. When you found out you didn't marry someone that was kind of fake. So I ended up living in my car and had to redo it all over again, which is good and it's also bad. But that's just those type of people out there. They just do where they can to use you. So, but I'm just gonna keep traveling and just keep doing the best I can with my dogs. And you can see here's my other one of my cameras I use. I got another one in there. Samsung's really good. But yeah, just it's out here. I do what's called a P.O.V. and just kind of reflect on my life. Like I said, a really rough beginning here. So towards the end, I'm doing a lot better. Just get older. There's goods and bads out of it. Bad thing is when you find out people are just dying out on you. So it kind of sucks. But anyway, it's what good thing is I got my dogs. I really love them. They help out a lot. But then I think about Buster and Bailey, who are deceased, and then Tracy when I was a little kid. I tell you, dogs I think are really healthy for you. These two are really active. The bugs out here getting bad. I kind of like winter better because there's no one out here and you ain't got the bugs. That's anywhere. But we're in Terre Haute. We're close to Terre Haute, Indiana. I don't know if I'm gonna go by the federal prison or not. I haven't been by there for years. So I don't know why that truck parked this truck in the ditch there. Kind of dumb. Don't see a purpose of that. So don't eat that until you get sick. So anyway, I probably gonna take off here in a bit. I've been up to the lower and high falls, Cascade Falls here in Indiana is really nice. Best part is, like I said, just sitting here relaxing. When I hit the really full retirement, man, that'd be even better. So basically, since I'm still pretty healthy, I'm gonna drive and enjoy life as much as I can here traveling. Before I can't do it anymore. When you get older, age kind of sucks. In some ways it's good because I get my retirement, right? I ain't too busy up here, so which is nice. But my favorite time is to come up during the winter because definitely no one's around these parks. And enjoy myself. So, and I'm hoping to get some good video of these falls and the ice and such like that. So, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and take off here. Okay, so with that said, we're now leaving the park to go to our next destination, which I don't know yet. Oh, we might be going to Terre Haute for some things, and then head back up north, and then we'll start shooting down to Florida is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and navigate through here. It's very woody down here, but she told me to leave. I think they close at 10 or 11, but she said there's no lights around, so usually I would sleep, but I don't want to get charged with trespassing. So there we are, not too far from where I gotta go. You can see the dogs are eating. I'm on the air out, and they're not eating too much. And I think that's if I don't want to feed them too much, we get sick. Bang, come here. There you go, eat. Hey, eat. You gonna eat? All right, well, put up, go to bed here.